Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you step by step how completely beginners are creating Amazon KDP coloring books using just one simple tool called Nurie Creator. No design skills, no long prompts, no expensive software. Just click, generate, upload, and earn. Super easy. If you ever want to make passive income online with coloring books, this the video you want to watch. Alright, so let's jump inside Nurie Creator. One of the best coolest parts. You don't need crazy long prompts. You don't need to be an artist. You just type something simple like lines and instantly Nurie Creator gives you four unique clean printable coloring page. No grayscales, no missed lines, no editing needed. Even upscales the image for you automatically. They are ready for Amazon KDP. Next, we turn image into real coloring box. Inside New Creator, you choose your time size, added your page, and the tool creates KDP ready PDF in seconds. You don't need Canva, you don't need Photoshop, you don't need multiple tools like before. Everything you don't done in one place. You can rearrange page, titles, margin. Super simple. A completely beginner can build a book in 10 minutes. Now let's move to the cover. Everyone knows the cover makes or breaks your sales. Nur Creator has built a cover generator, so all you do is pick your time size, add a title, add a few image, click generate. That's it. You get clean, professional, clickable book cover ready to upload. And remember, this cover converts way better because they are perfectly sized for Amazon. Once your interior and cover are done, you upload everything to Amazon KDP or Etsy or any platform you work on. That's why beginners are making fast results because people are already searching for coloring books every day. Now, here are the magic happens. When your coloring books is live, every time someone buys it, you earn. You don't pick anything, you don't ship anything, you don't deal with customers. Amazon handles everything. Your job is done, and your coloring books keeps earning for you again and again, even when you sleep. This way, so many people love KDP and digital assets. Pioneer Creator make this so easy. One word prompt, perfect line art, built-in upskilling, built-in KDP formatting, built-in cover creator, niche training. Now, if you want to try Nur Creator and start creating your own coloring books, I will leave the link in the description. Is my affiliate link. I earn small commission and no cost to you. Start simple, start with one niche, publish your first ebook, then repeat. This one the easiest way beginner or for make passive income online, and you can to start today. The link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you the next one.